Hello everyone. Today is Monday, and as usual, I'm giving you a video to help you organize your week. Um, as per syllabus description, we are beginning today with the essays. In the first type of essay that we're writing and we discussed in the video conference is the one paragraph essay, and I gave you the reasons why this type of essay is so important, because this is the most common type of writing that we do uh, when we are in our undergraduate studies. And usually you get a question and then you have to support a point about the question, and then the one paragraph essay format is the one most fitting to this purpose. Uh, for the first assignment, you've got to come over here to the your Dropbox section, and you have the Word document with the instructions like you did before when you wrote the first writing assignment. Um, in this case, I have to announce that I made an update. Some students were reporting that you were having troubles with the user that I gave you for the forum, and I contacted the library today and I spoke with Liliana Gavilanes, and she told me that the password had been updated. So accordingly, I proceeded to update the information here in the assignment folder, and you have now the new password for the articles of the new scientist. The new password now, the same user, you have to register the same user, Liliana Gavilanes, and the new password is over here somewhere here, Biblio18. Formerly I had given you a different one, but this is the new one, the one you want to use. And then in case you are in trouble, you need to contact this person. She's the librarian in charge of magazines in our library. The first writing assignment, as you know, is a one paragraph essay summary. For this assignment, it is essential that you study carefully the document that I gave you by the name of Writing an Expository Summary, and you're ready for the video conference. I'm giving you the type of format that you need to use. I recommended that you have to name the source, that you have to provide author tags, that you have to avoid personal opinions, because it is expository. There are many different types of summaries, but in this case, you're writing an expository one. During this week also, the first thing that I would recommend that you do is that you study the learning object, because here I present the contents of the one paragraph essay. I give you examples, and this is the model that you have to follow over here. The one paragraph essay, the structure, the scheme of one paragraph, one example, and an outline. So you need to study this part carefully, because you don't have this in your book. Um, about the week, we also have the second partial test. The second partial test is programmed for Friday, but I've been getting some email from some students that can't take it on Friday, so I have decided to reschedule the second partial for Sunday. I'm going to open the test the whole day, from 8 in the morning until 23:55 on Sunday. So the test will no longer be programmed for Friday, and I'm rescheduling it. So this is about the test. So this is the second announcement that I'm making here. I'm going to be loading shortly the video for the video conference that we had on Saturday. I'm going to load this Saturday session, because in the Saturday session I presented a few examples that I didn't use on Friday. So if you want, you may check that one. So basically, this is all you have to do. My word of advice is that since I'm giving you 11 articles that you have to read for the writing assignment, you won't have time to read them all in preparation for the second writing assignment. But if I were you, I would do some skimming of the articles to have an idea of what these articles are all about, and to see which one is more fitting for the summary and which one for the analytical essay, that would be the third writing assignment, and which ones you may want to be using for the argumentative essays. So basically, this is what we have for the week. Is no different in structure from what we have been doing so far. And please, if you need any assistance, don't hesitate to contact me. I already released the feedback to the MLA exercises, so you can use that to clear doubts about the different exercises that we did. So this is it. Please let me know if you need any assistance when you're writing your expository summary.